All right, friends, next we are going to blow our bubbles and we are gonna count how many bubbles we blow. I wonder, are we gonna blow 1, 2, or maybe even 10? Are you ready? Get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We blew 7 bubbles. 7 bubbles. Okay, are you ready? We're gonna do more. Ready, set, go. Whoa! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bubbles. 8 bubbles. Okay, let's do it one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You were so quick. You were so quick. That was 4. 4 bubbles. 4. Oh, you are happy.